bro.
So sick. Whoa! Another squirrel!
Watch out for those.
Dude, missed it by feet.
What's wrong with you and squirrel?
I have no idea. This just does not even feel legal.
Oh, I've been trying to show you this for months.
We're going like the same speed as the interstate. Danny Lane? There's a house up there.
Yeah. No, this was a trail right here, and they've just traveled it, like, I don't know, within the past 2 months. It got really gnarly, like right here, you had to dip down to the left and, like, creek crossing, and it was kind of nasty. I had the Jeep out here and I had to turn around. I wasn't going through, it was too narrow.
Oh, wow.
He dipped down into that, and then came back up, on up through here, but since then, they've widened it out. So, we're getting ready to go behind another travel plaza.
That is so weird. This is about how far we make it on a trip before Krista has to pee.
That's some girlies waving at us.
I remember the first time we were going to Club MX, and we had the toy hauler and both dogs, and we made it to here before Krista had to stop and pee. I was like, dude, are you kidding me? Like, this is gonna take forever.
Right.
What's the name of this road?
Mike Daniels, Gulfport Ridge.
If I was driving down 64 right now and saw a couple guys on old dual sports ripping down this road, I would be pissed at myself.
With all these leaves falling, dude. Oh, it's so sick.
Yep. Holy, that was deep.
Probably gets a little slick through here. Especially with all these leaves.
Yeah, I'm just afraid I'm not going to see something under these leaves.
Take it easy right here.
Oh.
I about ate it on the 18th through here. Front tire washing on me.
That's tough on a bike that tall and heavy.
Yeah.
I love these overhangs.
I can't believe I haven't got you out here yet.
Yeah, I've been begging you to bring me out here. Holy cow, that's sick. That is sick. That is stuff like you get excited to hike across. You only can dream of doing stuff like that on dual sports. Yeah, you've been holding out on me, that's for sure.
Bro.
trail that went up through there, the gate was open.
Yep. I'm just quit mentioning spots now. So there's a spot up here to fish at. I brought Landon up here to fish one day, man. It's cool as hell. Last time I was here, somebody was camping on it though.
That's
I think
weird.
somebody's here today. Maybe. Nah, sun up, sorry.
That place has 4 satellite dishes.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wonder what channels they did. It goes a pretty good ways, but it runs into somebody's house. Travel info? Like, that's so random. People are camping right now.
That's so weird.
It's like the killer spot right there, dude.
What is all this growth? Like, what is this stuff called? It's just taking over everything. Kind of cool looking though.
WV.
So badass.
They're that way too. We're not doing it though. You don't want to explore anymore, so.
Oh, I'm fine to explore. I just don't know about some hardcore exploration and then still drive however far to Fayetteville, eat lunch, and then have a 2-hour drive back.
No, we're good. We can skip second lunch.
What's up there?
Pretty good trail, going up bridge. It's kind of nasty.